everyone, I'm Maricel Manalo. You're here with me at the Culinary Center of San Miguel Pure Foods. Today I'm going to teach you how to make pork siomai. Let's start cooking. I have here Monterey ground pork. So all you need actually for this recipe is just a bowl to mix in all your other ingredients. Okay? And I'm going to add also a little bit of Monterey pork fat. Okay, this will really ensure that our siomai is juicy. We'll add a little extender for this recipe. So I have here grated singkamas or grated turnips. You can also substitute turnips with grated carrots. For our seasonings and spices, I have here salt. I'm using iodized salt, fine salt. And then ground pepper. You may use white pepper if you wish. And then I also have here some chopped shrimps, chopped spring onions. And to bind our ingredients with, we will add also a piece of egg, which you lightly beat. And cornstarch. Oh, and don't forget, you also want to add in a little bit of sesame oil for that added Asian flavor. Okay, at this point, I'm going to use my hands so that I'll be able to mix all these really well. By the way, if you are ordering ground meats from your favorite Monterey meat shops, you can actually ask your butcher to ground it as per your specifications. They can have it ground once or twice, depending on how fine you want your ground meats to be. Okay, once you've mixed it well, you need to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, just to make sure that all the other flavors are thoroughly infused in your meat. So let's put this in the ref first. Alright, so after 20 minutes, take it out of the ref and just get a spoonful of the mixture. Put it in your siomai wrapper and just seal in the edges. So I'm just turning it around and flattening the top. Right? As an added garnish, you can also put some chopped shrimps on top or chopped spring onions. So while you're preparing your siomai, you can already prepare your steamer. And before you put in the prepared pork siomai, make sure that the water is already boiling. Okay, and this will take about 10 minutes to cook. Don't forget to brush the steam basket with a little oil before you put in your prepared siomai, just to prevent it from sticking onto the pan. Okay, and then we can already start cooking. This will take 10 minutes to cook. Alright, so after 10 minutes, our siomai is ready. Don't forget to serve it with some soy sauce and calamansi. Alright, so this is our siomai using Monterey ground pork. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and until next time.